I made a mistake in buying a surface washer without wheels. So this one is about $60 with the accessories. If I were to pay like $30 more, I would have gotten one with a set of wheels. That would have worked much better. Anyway, I added 3 wheels to it. I got these wheels, 2 for $1 at Job Lot. So these are the wheels, and this is just some scrap aluminum, and I drilled 2 holes on the bracket there, and then riveted the bracket to the surface washer. So that's a quick way of adding wheels to it. Without the wheels, you have to put a lot more effort in moving this surface cleaner around. So the wheels lift the surface washer about 1/4 inch from the ground. Now it's much easier to operate. This is what I should have gotten in the first place. Much easier to push and pull. You might still have to use the wand for like the edges. But it's so much easier to clean now. Just a couple of passes. So the other upgrade I made is adding these quick connectors to the pressure washer. It's more important for the pressure washer to have these connectors because then I can free up my garden hose to do other things and connect it fairly quickly when I need to use the pressure washer. Right, just snap in like that and it's done. So you should get one for the water supply and the pressure hose. With the water supply, I always forget, with this model anyway, to loosen or to take out the regular garden hose. I have to turn it clockwise instead of turning it counterclockwise. So with the quick connectors, I don't have this problem. I just pull on this and snap it in. So I plan to get extra ones for the wand and maybe for the connection to the garden hose spigot over there. That if you want to detach the connector, release the pressure first. That makes it much easier to detach. And before you even do this, turn off the water. Otherwise the pressure will build up and it's difficult to unscrew this. Plus you'll get a blast of water after you unscrew this because of the pressure.